How to understand brainstem sensory pathways anatomy. Imagine a busy highway system inside your body, carrying signals from your skin, muscles, and organs up to your brain. The brainstem acts like a central hub, guiding these signals along precise routes. It connects your spinal cord to your higher brain centers, making it a key player in how you perceive touch, pain, temperature, and body position. The brainstem has three main parts: the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. Each part contains important structures called nuclei and nerve fibers that help transmit sensory information. Sensory pathways in the brainstem are mostly ascending tracts, meaning they carry information from the body up to the brain. These pathways follow a chain of three types of neurons. The first neurons detect sensations like touch or pain from receptors in your skin, muscles, or joints. Their cell bodies are located in clusters called dorsal root ganglia or cranial nerve ganglia. These neurons send signals into the spinal cord or brainstem. Next, second-order neurons are found within nuclei in the brainstem. They receive input from the first neurons and often cross over to the opposite side of the brainstem in a process called decussation. These neurons send their axons upward toward a relay station called the thalamus. The third-order neurons are located in the thalamus, a deep brain structure that acts like a relay station. From there, signals are sent to the somatosensory cortex in the brain, where you become aware of what you are feeling. One major pathway passing through the brainstem is the dorsal column medial lemniscus pathway. It carries fine touch, vibration, pressure, and proprioception, which is your sense of body position. First, neurons from your skin and muscles enter the spinal cord and travel up on the same side in the dorsal columns. These are called fasciculus gracilis for the lower body and fasciculus cuneatus for the upper body. When they reach the medulla oblongata, they synapse in nuclei called the gracilis and cuneatus nuclei. From there, second-order neurons cross over to the opposite side and form a bundle called the medial lemniscus. This bundle ascends through the brainstem to reach the thalamus. Other pathways include the spinothalamic tract, which carries pain and temperature signals. These fibers also pass through the brainstem, where they cross over early in their course. The brainstem's reticular formation is another important area. It processes sensory inputs from multiple pathways and helps regulate functions like alertness, autonomic responses, and coordination. To understand these pathways, start by identifying the parts of the brainstem and their nuclei. Follow the route of the ascending fibers from the receptors in your body, noting where they synapse and cross. Recognize which sensations each pathway carries and how they reach the brain. This helps explain how damage to the brainstem can cause specific sensory deficits, like losing sensation on one side of the body or trouble feeling pain. In essence, understanding brainstem sensory pathways involves tracing the journey of signals from the skin or muscles through the first, second, and third neurons. Focus on the key structures like the dorsal column nuclei in the medulla and the medial lemniscus tract that carries signals upward. This helps connect the physical layout of the brainstem with its vital role in processing what you feel every day.